Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the HAVA and COMFEE models. Both are designed for compact living spaces like apartments and RVs, offering convenience without the need for plumbing. In this video, we will delve into their key features, including wash programs, capacity, and noise levels, to determine which one stands out as the best option for your needs. When it comes to price, the HAVA countertop dishwasher is priced at $399, while the COMFEE portable mini dishwasher is more budget-friendly at $299. This price difference could be a significant factor for many buyers, especially those looking for a cost-effective solution for their dishwashing needs. In terms of noise level, the HAVA operates at 60 decibels, making it slightly quieter than the COMFEE, which runs at 62 decibels. For those sensitive to noise, this could be an important consideration when choosing between these two models. Both dishwashers offer 6 wash programs, but they cater to different needs. The HAVA includes a dedicated baby care mode, while the COMFEE features a high-temperature wash cycle for enhanced sanitation. Depending on your specific requirements, one may be more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the HAVA and COMFEE dishwashers offer great features for compact living. The HAVA is ideal for those who prioritize quiet operation and baby care functionality, while the COMFEE is a more economical choice with a high-temperature wash. Consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.